Hi everyone! We are going to make oven roasted turkey with sage butter. The process is quite lengthy, so without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Today we are going to make oven roasted turkey with sage butter. Here are the ingredients and the items you'll need. Make sure to thaw the turkey in cold water the night before or for 10 to 12 hours. Prepare the stuffing ingredients in a mixing bowl the day of. To make the sage butter, put the softened unsalted butter in a mixing bowl. Add the fresh chopped sage. Then add the minced garlic. Mix well to combine. In a small cup, put the freshly ground black pepper. Then add the salt. Then mix to combine. Thoroughly pat dry the turkey with paper towel. Rub the cavity with salt and pepper mixture. Carefully cut the fat under the chicken skin to make an opening. But make sure you do not puncture the skin. Then put the sage butter under the skin generously. Lavishly rub the salt and pepper mixture all over the turkey. Put the remaining sage butter inside the cavity. Next is the stuffing ingredients. And don't forget to stuff the neck area too. Make sure to insert the excess skin inside the neck to prevent spillage. Cross the leg and tie it up securely using a string. Then cut the excess strings with scissors. Pour and rub some olive oil all over the turkey. Transfer the turkey on a roasting pan with wire rack and put it in the oven. Roast the turkey for 3 hours at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Save the remaining salt and pepper mixture for later. Check the turkey every hour. And rotate the roasting pan when using conventional oven. Pour olive oil as needed to make sure it does not dry out. Then roast for 2 more hours at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After 2 hours, check again and add more olive oil and salt and pepper mixture as needed. Then bake again for 1 more hour. After 3 hours of roasting, check the temperature. Make sure the temperature reads 280 degrees. Then remove the turkey from the oven. And here is my oven roasted turkey with sage butter. Enjoy!
It's definitely juicy.
Give me that big bite.
You really want me to do that?
Yeah. Look at that.
Mmm.
Try.
It's very hot. Very good. Lots of flavor.